Hi everyone, I'm Federico, and today I would like to tell you how to save £500,000 with 20 days of work. And of course, this is an estimated value. So during my ASI fellowship, I worked with Cote Brasserie, which is a high-end restaurant chain with around 100 restaurants across the UK. So for Cote, two key objectives are absolutely crucial. So the first one is a consistent availability of menu items across whole UK restaurants and a brilliant guest experience. To ensure that, it is important that in any restaurant, there's the correct amount of raw ingredients and the right number of staff members. And so at the moment, to achieve that, restaurant managers on a daily basis forecast the sales for the next 10 days. And then from these, they infer the correct amount of raw ingredients and the number of staff they will have. So the question is, can we improve this process using machine learning? Yes, of course, we can. And so which are the features which are relevant to forecast the sales? And this has been the goal of my project. So we have weather. Of course, people prefer to go out when the weather is good and have dinner outside. Date. And of course, we can expect that restaurants are busier during the weekend and during summer period and during Christmas time. And the history of sales. So we developed a machine learning algorithm which takes all these features together, and we tested it with two pilot restaurants. So the first one is a weather-dependent restaurant. This is ASI Galleria, which has this nice terrace along the Thames. So go there and have lunch. It's really nice. And we also tested it on a weather-independent restaurant. This is Sloane Square, which on the other hand does not have this nice terrace, but I'm sure it's full of surprises inside, so I'll go there as well. So yeah, so let's see how the algorithm performs on a weather-dependent restaurant. This is ASI Galleria. So in blue, you have the true sales along a time window of 1 month. In red, you have the forecast given by the algorithm, and in yellow, the manager prediction. So from here, we can calculate the total discrepancy, where with total discrepancy I mean the sum of all the differences between the true value of sales and the prediction. And we can see that for the manager forecast, it's like £40,000, and for the algorithm prediction is like £20,000. And of course, the lower is the discrepancy, the better is the prediction. So using this algorithm, we can improve manager forecast by a factor of 2. So now let's see how the algorithm performs on a longer time window. So these are in blue, you have got the true sales over all this year, and in red, my prediction. And as you can see, there's like a quite good fit, and the goodness of fit is like 75%, so it's quite good. And but now the problem is, how can we provide in a transparent and friendly way this information to the managers? Because we really want the managers to use this prediction on a daily basis. So we can calculate the contribution to the forecasted value due to different features. So we can start with the sales of the previous year, which are known, and then we can give the contribution due to run rate features. So for example, date and history of sales. And then we can give like a contribution due to weather. And so essentially, the final forecasted value will be determined by these three values. This has been already deployed. There's like a server on Sherlock, which is running on a daily basis, and is providing this output table, and this table is uploaded into the SQL database of the company. And then from the database of the company, these predictions are passed to the managers. And so the managers then can take best decisions on the amount of raw ingredients they will need and the number of staff they will have. So in conclusion, I developed and deployed a machine learning algorithm which is able to improve the manager forecast by a factor of 2. And this will offer Cote a potential saving in the range of 500 and 750,000 pounds just in staff rota, because they will be able to optimize the staff rota scheduling when the algorithm will be deployed for all the UK restaurants. So the model can also be extended to forecast ordering of raw ingredients to minimize food waste, and this will save the company even more money. Thank you very much.